Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study the topics of JAM differential equations, that is homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, and we will discuss some of the questions related to it. Now let's get started.
We need to find a condition such that every solution of y double dash a y dash plus by is equal to 0 approaches to 0 as x approaches to infinity. Then what would be the condition of a and b? Solve its auxiliary equation, that is d square plus ad plus b is equal to 0, which implies d is equal to minus a plus minus square root a square minus 4b over 2. Now this quantity a square minus 4b is less than a square if b is greater than 0. Then in that case we will have its solutions basically of the form y is equal to c1 e raised to the minus a minus a square minus 4b by 2 plus c2 e raised to power minus a plus a square minus 4. नाउ ये बेसिकली यहाँ पास एक अल्फा एक्स है. सो अब हमें इसको जीरो को अप्रोच करवाना है अगर, तो हमें यहाँ पे नेगेटिव वैल्यू चाहिए. तभी वो जीरो को अप्रोच करेगा. अब इस केस में हमारे पास ये नेगेटिव तभी होगा व्हेन a इज ग्रेटर देन 0, एंड इस केस में ये नेगेटिव कब होगा? जब minus 4b is less than a, that is this case b greater than 0. Hence a and b should be greater than 0 for every solution of this equation to approach to 0 as x approaches to infinity. A small example for you. Consider y dash minus 5y dash plus 6y equal to 0. And similarly consider then plus sign. Then you will know the difference. Now another question. Y double dash plus pi square y is equal to 0 with initial conditions y0 is equal to 0 and y pi is equal to 0, where y is a real function. Then हमें basically कुछ options दे रखे हैं, उसमें से choose करना है. 0,1 y cube x dx is equal to 0. B part y dash square plus pi square y square is equal to y dash 0 a whole square, and another options which we have is y dash square plus pi square y square is equal to y dash pi whole square. The option which we have is integral from 0 to pi y square dx is equal to 1 by pi square 0 to pi y dash square dx. Now to solve it, d square plus pi square is equal to 0, which in turn implies d is equal to plus minus pi iota, which in turn implies general solution is c1 cos pi x plus c2 sin pi x. Now we have given that y of 0 is 0, so 0 is equal to cos of pi is cos of 0 is plus 1 and sine of 0 is 0. Therefore, C1 is 0. And we have given that y of 1 is equal to 0. यहाँ पे 1. Hence, we have that 0. Cos of pi is minus of C1. Sine of pi is 0, which in turn implies C1 is equal to 0. Hence, y is equal to C2 sine pi x, infinitely many solutions. Now 0, 1 sin cube pi x, एक कोई कांस्टेंट होगा c dx, इन्होंने लिख रखी है 0 होगा. अब किसी भी इंटीग्रेशन कोई भी इंटरवल में 0 कब आता है? a b f dx is 0 if and only if either a is equal to b or f of x is equal to 0 और ab में जो फंक्शन है सिमेट्रिक हो about x axis, like in this manner सिमेट्रिक है ये, तो ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे. नाउ साइन पाई एक्स 0 से 1 के इंटरवल में सिमेट्रिक नहीं है, since साइन is positive from 0 to pi. pi की वैल्यू 3.14 है, सो ये सिमेट्रिक नहीं हो सकता. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑप्शन तो हमारे पास रॉन्ग होएगी इसकी. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द इक्वेशन. y dash x would be pi of c2 cos pi x, and if we put it in b option, pi c cos pi x का whole square plus pi square c sin pi x, that is y. Here is c2, which in turn is equal to pi square c2 square cos square pi x plus sin square pi x is 1, so it would give us this value, which indeed is equal to y dash 0 and y dash 1 का square. That is this quantity. Hence, B and C options are correct. Here also it is 1. And D option is wrong because 0 to pi के interval में we can see 0 to pi c2 sin square pi x dx would be c2 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 pi x by 2 dx, which in turn is equal to c2 by 2 pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi x by 4 pi from pi to 0. ये तो हमारा कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, which in turn implies c2 pi by 4. And similarly 1 by pi square 0 to pi y dash का square, that is pi square c2 square cos square pi x dx would be 0 to pi c2 square by 2 1 plus cos 2 pi x dx, which in turn is equal to c2 square pi square by 4 pi by 4, and these quantities are not equal.